Welcome to the NFT Wizard. In this video, we will have a look at how to transfer cryptocurrency from Kucoin to your Phantom wallet. It's actually much more simple than it seems. As you may have noticed, on Kucoin we have a main account and we also have a trading account. The important thing to understand here is that you can only transfer your cryptocurrency from Kucoin to your Phantom wallet when your cryptocurrency is actually deposited in the main account and not the trading account. So the first thing you would have to verify is that your cryptocurrency is currently in your main account and not in your trading account. In case your cryptocurrency is in the trading account, you have to transfer it to the main account. To do so, you would simply select your trading account here. Now here in the trading account, you can search for your cryptocurrency, and as we want to transfer money from our Kucoin account to our Phantom wallet, the cryptocurrency we want to transfer is obviously Sol. So here in the search field, we would simply search for Sol. And in our case here, the third one is Sol. It's currently saying $0 because I have nothing on it. But in your case, if you have $500 in your trading account, for example, you will see the balance here. And to transfer this now to your main account, you would simply click here where it says transfer. Now here, let's suppose you have 5 Sol. You can simply enter 5 Sol here if you want to transfer all of it. You can also just click where it says here available amount. In my case it's 0, so that's not going to change anything, but if you click there, it will always take the maximum. If you have 3, it will take 3 Sol. If you have 7, it will put 7 here directly into this field here. So once you decided on the amount that you would like to transfer, put that here in the box and then simply click on confirm. After you have done that, scroll up and then make sure to switch over here to the main account. In the search field again, we will search for Sol. And now to transfer your Sol to your Phantom wallet, what you have to do is to click here on withdraw. The next step now is to open up your Phantom wallet. In my case, I have this Phantom symbol here in the Chrome toolbar, so I'll simply click on that. And then we need to copy our Phantom wallet address, which is located here at the top of our Phantom wallet. When you hover over it, you will see copy to clipboard. Simply left click on your mouse and your Phantom wallet address will be copied immediately. And it will then say copied. Once that happened, go back to your Kucoin and then where it says wallet address, right click and click on paste. Always make sure to double check here if that's really the right address. Because if you will send this to a wrong address, your money will most probably be lost. And in most cases, there is absolutely nothing you can do about. So here we can see that the last 4 digits read 18TD, and in my wallet here as well, it's 18TD, so that's definitely the right address. Then under Sol amount, simply define how much Sol you would like to transfer from Kucoin to your Phantom wallet. If you want to transfer everything that you have in your main account on Kucoin, then simply click here where it says max, and it will automatically take the max amount. And once that is done, click here on confirm. As I don't have Sol on my wallet at the moment, I can't proceed here. But after clicking on confirm here, there are 2 more things that you will need to do. First of all, you will have to input your trading password. That is a password that you needed to set when registering with Kucoin. This is actually a 6-digit password, so make sure to enter that 6-digit password, and then for verification purposes, a code will then get sent to your email, so you will have to open up your emails and then enter that code. Or you can also change that to an SMS verification. If you have your mobile phone linked with Kucoin, you can also get that code on your mobile phone. I usually use that one because it's a little bit faster. So make sure to check that code on your mobile phone and then just simply enter that. After that, you will simply need to wait for a few minutes and your money will appear in your Phantom wallet. In order to check whether the transaction was successful or not, you can go here where it says deposit and withdrawal history, and then make sure that you click here on withdrawal history. And then in this list here, you will see all the withdrawals. You should check here for the status. If it still says processing, well, then the money has not yet arrived. Once the status here says completed, you can be sure that your money has successfully been sent to your Phantom wallet. And that's it, guys. This is how you transfer Sol from your Kucoin account to your Phantom wallet. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.